We have this idea in Tantra of practice partners. We have more guys here tonight than women, and that's often the case in tantric workshops. It's not often the case here. One night we had only women, so you just never know. But in Tantra, everybody is a practice partner. I can practice love with everybody. You don't have to look a certain way. So the conventional dating scene says, I'm only going to spend time with you if you look like a fashion model, you're slender and cool and right age group and this and that. You know, age really only matters if you want to have children, right? Why else would it matter? So all these things, we normally wouldn't sit down and have a date with somebody unless they meet our criteria. So people are shopping online for somebody who meets their criteria in order to meet them. This isn't completely wrong, but it is, the attitude behind it is wrong, because actually you can practice love with anybody. So what I started doing was, I'm going to meet anybody, and I'm going to practice in that encounter what's in my way of me being loving towards this person. It became a spiritual path. So I would show up, and I've got 45 minutes to an hour to have coffee or a drink with this person. I'm going to see, why am I unloving in my mind towards this person? What's going on with me that I am closing my heart? I don't need to close my heart, because almost everyone you date, you're never going to see them again, right? I had over 150 first online dates, plus the second dates and third dates, and people I met out when I was out going to events and stuff. I just met hundreds of people, and almost everybody, so let me finish this train of thought before I lose it. Almost everybody you meet, you're not going to meet again. You're never going to see again. So what's the problem? Why can't you just see how enjoyable that encounter can be?